Hello everyone, it's Rob here, you know, Draw with Rob, that Rob, and I wanted to tell you about my brand new Draw with Rob activity book. This one is called Draw with Rob, Build a Story, and I know lots of you have enjoyed the other two books we've brought out, and if you did, I think you're really going to like this one. It's slightly different, it's called Build a Story, so throughout this book I'm hopefully going to show you how you can write your own story and illustrate it. So we're going to be thinking about things like what characters you can include in your story, where you're going to set your story, whereabouts in the world you're going to set your story. Maybe you won't even set it in this world, maybe it'll be set in outer space or an imaginary land. When are you going to set your story? Is it going to be in the present day? Is it going to be in the ancient past or in the distant future? We'll be thinking about things like story structure, so the beginning, middle and end parts of your story, plot twists, where things that are quite unexpected happen in your story to keep your readers on their toes. And we're going to do it in such a fun way because the book is full of loads and loads of draw-alongs of things like unicorns and knights and evil queens and all that sort of stuff, superhero teddy bears. And there's loads of puzzles, there's loads of colouring pages, all the usual stuff that you know and love from the other Draw with Rob activity books. But the brilliant thing about this one is at the end, we've got lots of blank pages with page numbers on that you can rip out and you can write your own stories on and draw your own stories and then fold them over, staple them all together, and you'll have your very own book by the end of this book. So you're not going to need me at all soon, are you? So listen, check it out. It's available now from wherever you get your books. You might want to support your local bookshop, just saying. And let me know what you think. I hope you really like it. I'm super proud of it. So go out and have a look for it now and let me know what you think. I'll see you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.